आज जाने की जिद ना करो.
One of the best, and helping others is one of the rarest thing we can find in somebody. For example, me, ये मेरे को जानता भी नहीं था, मैंने बस रिकमेंड करके यहाँ पे जॉब किया, but ये बिना जाने भी लोगों को मिल गया. So the MTL group, as an MTL group, will really miss him for his work.
Emotionally sad, happy for him, obviously. Emotionally because of the bond we had, sad because of the work wise. So, like Murgay sir said, सबसे अच्छी खूबी की है helping nature. That is the best thing, and I know I have learned a lot from him. And I just want to wish him all good. Thank you so much. Sir, thank you so much for your help.
दूसरी बात हमारी काम के टाइम में बहुत सारी लड़ाई हो जाती थी, लेकिन वो कल बोल गए ऐसा नहीं बदलाव नहीं हुए देता. कल आप फिर ऐसे मिल जाते थे आपस में कभी
nothing more I want to say. It's like a truly different person, with a multi-talented person who having that helping mentality, and I am also like Murgay sir said. I came from the reference of Deepak sir, and that day I can never forget in my life also. There was emotionally there was a lot of attachment was there, and we miss the good work, everything he's done, the guidance, the true leader, that is the main thing. You know how to manage the team properly, how to act them. Because like Murgay sir said, he will not show that like we are feeling that angerness or anything. He will not show anything. He is very cool mentality person I have ever met in my life. Some situation everyone will behave like in their holy manner, but I have never seen that from Deepak sir. We miss Deepak sir always.
As a family member, we don't give an opportunity to be and actually I know him Deepak through Mr. Saroj. Actually before I don't know. Then I came here and I have seen him since last almost 3 years, and especially I just want to say about him, he's a multi-talented man. And many things, sales, service, some people actually take example from service there. I know I have only experience in service. But if you say Deepak, if you talk about Deepak, the service or sales, whatever, if anything, Deepak, I want this, I want that. If I said like that, immediately he used to give the answer without checking anything. One more go like this, go like this. Yes, I'm going to receive the
Be supportive. Thank you for being a friend and a boss. Thank you for teaching us. Thank you for being a team player. We wish you all the best. Stay protected. Be blessed.
बैड पैच था 2020 जब लॉकडाउन हुआ था, और उस टाइम मेरे पास जॉब नहीं था, और मैं दीपक भाई से कॉन्टैक्ट में बजाज मार्केट, तो मतलब उस टाइम से उन्होंने मेरे को हेल्प की और यहाँ पर रेफरेंस दिया, तो मैं उनको बहुत बड़ा शुक्रगुजार हूँ. मेरी ज़िंदगी जब तक मैं याद है उन्होंने मेरे को हेल्प की जब मेरा बस यही कहना चाहूँगा कि बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
टेन्योर रहा है वो तो बहुत छोटा रहा है बट मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि मैं मेरी लाइफ में कुछ ऐसे लोगों से मिला हूँ जिसको मैं कुछ सीखा हूँ, तो वो दीपक जी है. इतनी छोटी नहीं, क्या होता है ना कि हम इंसान तो सीखता ही जाता है, दूसरों से सीखना ही पड़ता है. तो मैंने देखा है कि इतनी छोटी एज में अगर कोई आदमी इतना ग्रो कर सकता है, तो इवन आई टोल्ड हिम अर्लियर ऑल्सो कि भाई इतनी कम एज में इतना ग्रोथ अच्छा लेना, वो इटसेल्फ इज सेइंग कि कुछ अंदर एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी कुछ है चीज़ें, तभी आदमी इतना ग्रो कर सकता है इतनी कम एज में. सो आई रियली अप्रिशिएट जो भी हमारे बीच में टाइम गुजरा है अच्छा खासा, तो आई रियली अप्रिशिएट आपका जो सपोर्ट मिला उसके लिए.
January 2019, January 24, I landed here. And 25th day, I was sitting here only.
बहुत बड़ा एक्सपीरियंस, मतलब तांजानिया एक बहुत अच्छा कंट्री है, दुनिया बहुत छोटा है, बहुत छोटा है, और ये छोटा दुनिया में अपना ट्रेड जो ऑटोमोबाइल का ट्रेड है ना वो और उससे भी छोटा है, तो कहीं ना कहीं तो हम मिल ही जाते हैं, तो होपफुली हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं मिलेंगे, तो ये बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था मेरे लिए, और डेफिनेटली इट्स हार्ड टू से गुड बाय टू एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच for arranging this farewell, definitely in memories.
ये लेके जा सकते हैं। Since आप भी यहाँ पे want to say something, professionally, personally, यहाँ पे मैं काम किया हूँ। Personally, how did you find Tanzania and everything? You go for first time you came there.
दो खूबियाँ है इसमें, किसी से गुस्सा कभी करता नहीं है, अगर होगा तो दिखाता नहीं, कन्विंसिंग पावर वन ऑफ द बेस्ट, एंड हेल्पिंग अदर्स इज वन ऑफ द रेयरेस्ट थिंग यू कैन फाइंड इन समबडी।
वही बाकी समझता है, बहुत कुछ सीखा, काम का तरीका मैं भी बहुत कुछ सीखा कि कैसे काम कराया जाता है दूसरे से, और अपन को बुरा नहीं बनना, बहुत चीज़ें ये चीज़ें जो आती नहीं है, आप कहीं जाओ तो आपको कोई सिखाएगा नहीं, आपको सीखना पड़ता है, तो मतलब अगर उनको आपसे काम कराना है तो ये करा लेंगे बिना किसी दबाव के या कुछ, और ये चीज़ अच्छी है लीडर से। थैंक्स।
आपके से मेरा never forget this in my mind. I never expected that I would work in a mall because we had to assist like you. You were supposed to be great. We miss you always. Thank you so much for this. And all the best.
और बहुत काफी अच्छा है, भैया आपने कनेक्ट कर लिया तो मुझे याद है, आप मुझे बताया, थैंक यू।
के थ्रू मैक्सिमम लोग बिना पैसा विदाउट नोइंग।
मेरे को सावजी के साथ काम करते लगभग 4 साल, नियर बाई 4 साल हो गए, बहुत कुछ सीखा है इससे, माइंड नहीं किया कोई चीज़ का, सपोर्ट भी किया उन्होंने, जैसे ब्रांच को लेके मेरे को स्टॉक का कैसे मेंटेन करना है वो चीज़ स्पेसिफिक को सिखाया मुझे, तो ऐसा लगा।
So they were definitely in this kind of since the lead, the victim is there. And I know everyone is disable. I also can come somewhere. Someone has filled the position for the but since you are leaving, the victim is there. You are a true initiator. Not only in work, and I can see when you are going out, enjoying with the families, getting everyone all together with you. That is also a good part. So you were initiated in work. Means I cannot expect a service register or somebody is sending me analysis of the color of some 3-wheeler, 2-wheeler, or analysis of the industry and all these things. So these are the initiatives. All the POs, means I am talking about the work right now. All the POs from Bajaj, it's a pure sales job. But Deepak is the one who was handling everything. When I was like 1 year back when I was landed here, 2-3 months back I was trying to understand who is what, and whenever I am stuck somewhere, I will talk to Deepak. Deepak have all the data in one. You can say one man army type person was Deepak only. Whether it's related to Bajaj, whether it's related to the system and process, whether it is related to IC or anywhere. You go to Deepak, Deepak has some or other way, he has the data. And then lately I realized you have been many projects, new projects. This is also one way to go extra mile. In such organization like Emigro, the distributorship, people don't worry, they just want to limit themselves with their boundaries. I am coming for some purpose, I am with the boundaries. But I think Deepak that he always walk extra mile. Without saying anything, at the night, 11 AM, he is sending 11 PM, he is sending some analysis on these things. And then reflect into the personal life also.
You see the initiation, bloody. There was a Good Friday. You was with everyone in Zanzibar. Then again there was a holiday. Everyone was there in the beach, that is Bajaj team and all. And in 1 year time, I never bothered when the Bajaj team is landing, when they are settling down in the hotel. What is about the lunch, dinner, anything. This time when he was little bit off from the trek, although he was managing, I need to call Uncle, he had 2-3 times there in the car for them and all these things. So when you are having somebody like Deepak, you really don't bother on the smallest of any issue. That's why I'm saying it's not bedroom only for the work, it's a bedroom for the personal life also. The resourcefulness of the Deepak in Tanzania. Trust me, no one has that contact. You name the hotel, he has the name in the mobile. You name the situation, he has some or other solution. You name the TPS, he has the solution from there. So the resourcefulness, it's an inherent something. You and me cannot earn that. Again, the extra mile. You need to save that number in a mobile. What is the hotel name of in bloody Arusha or let's say in Zanzibar, everywhere. So it's very difficult, Deepak. For me also, since 1 year I've seen you. Helping nature, people are talking about the help and everything that is there, but again I am saying it's only your initiative nature which is taking you from one level to another level. And people cannot, means most of the people you force people to depend on you. I am telling you, sometimes what happens when you do such a work for everything, your bosses, everyone will depend on you. And plant stock, your branches stock, everything being managed by 12 people, nobody was aware in the team. And everything was consolidated with you, so people are more dependent on you. That is a good part. That requires the energy also. Otherwise, people are too much mean and limited. No, I am in this position or this profile, I am limited to myself. And people are doing the same job day in day out. They don't think the outside of their main profile. But I found people that you are always apart from the profile, you are just going out and trying to do many things. I am telling you. That's the way. The people were saying that. Varma was talking, you are able to answer every time that there is sales or something. It's because you got this nature because you try to learn and not learn. You will make the mistake. But if you think, let me try something outside, then you will make the mistake, you will learn. So that's your decision. Surely, I don't know what METL Europe, Pankaj was talking to someone, but METL Bajaj is going to miss you a lot about your work, about your nature, about your personal health, and about your resourcefulness. Everyone is going to miss you out. This vacuum will be there for the time being, I am telling you. It's very difficult to fill your position, the way you are managing everything. And as an individual, be in touch. I will always be remembering you, whatever the work we did in last 1 year. And whenever I, like Deepak, we need to prepare some country presentation and anything. I always heard him saying, today I will do it. And it happened like in midnight, early in the morning, I am receiving the same. Plus minus. So this confidence was there whenever Deepak said yes, it will be done, that is there. So that vacuum is going to be there, Deepak. I know this is the destiny, we will meet, we will go, and everyone is here to grow in life, it's not something one thing. So I am wishing you all good luck for your new assignment. We all are here. The way people are talking about your support, we supported, we are always there for you. And be in touch with everyone, including me. We are one family. I will today get departed, tomorrow again we can meet. Wish you all the very good.
सब कुछ याद है, केला का है, दुनिया का है, मोटर रोड में ट्रैवल कर रहा था, मोटोरा है ये।
तुमने दो चीज तो बोली नहीं, you got married in MBA,
एंगेजमेंट हुआ, मैरिज हुआ, जब बेबी भी आया,
कोविड की भी आएगा। तो तैयारी है, मेरी हो गई, apart from the professional, personally काफी बेहतर है।
Especially my relationship with Deepak is very good. We never had any fight for the last since I joined the company. Still today, when I asked you always pick the part with a big mama of your but also he was come late, I was a little worried, but still he came and he all the job for me. I just say thanks for all your support. Again, I wish you a good luck for all your future endeavors. Thank you so much.
How to handle the situation in a smart
somebody is that you need to learn from him how to escape and how to manage the things. It's really fantastic. You really learn many things from him. So I really thankful. I got an opportunity because of him.
I would